You walk up to her, and your mind goes blank. Your heart speeds up. You feel that heat in your chest, and the only thought looping in your head is, what do I say? Here's the truth most men never hear. It's not that you don't know what to say. It's that you're trying to say the perfect thing. And that's exactly what makes you awkward. The moment you approach her trying to impress, you lose control. Your body tightens. Your voice changes. Your eyes start asking for approval. She feels it before you even speak. Awkwardness is not about words. It's about pressure. Most men walk up to a girl carrying an invisible weight. I hope she likes me. I hope I don't mess this up. I hope I don't look stupid. That hope is weakness, and women feel it instantly. Here's the shift. You don't approach to win her. You approach to express yourself. When you walk up, your job is not to perform. Your job is to be present. Relax your shoulders. Slow your breathing. Let your body arrive before your mouth does. The first mistake men make is rehearsing lines. Lines kill authenticity. They put you in your head, and once you're in your head, you're gone. Instead, say what's real in the moment. Not clever. Not impressive. Real. If you noticed her smile, say that. If you're nervous, allow it. Confidence isn't hiding fear. Confidence is not being ashamed of it. Here's something powerful. You don't need a reason to talk to her. You don't need permission. You don't need an excuse. The second mistake men make is approaching from the side, half committed. That sideways body language screams uncertainty. Face her fully. Stand still. Ground your feet. Stillness is dominance. Another big mistake is rushing. Men talk fast because they're afraid of silence. But silence is not awkward. Tension is only awkward when you run from it. Pause before you speak. Let eye contact breathe. That pause tells her you're comfortable in your skin. Also, stop trying to be interesting. Interested is more powerful than interesting. Listen without planning your next line. React instead of performing. If she responds cold, don't collapse. Cold responses don't mean rejection. They mean she's observing you. Most men fail right here. They over-explain. They justify. They chase approval. Don't do that. If the energy isn't there, pull back calmly. That restraint flips the dynamic. It shows self-respect. Here's the final truth that changes everything. Women don't remember the exact words you say. They remember how you made them feel standing in front of you. Were you tense or grounded? Were you seeking or centered? Were you trying to take or simply showing up? When you stop trying to impress, awkwardness disappears. When you stop fearing silence, confidence appears. And when you stop chasing outcomes, attraction starts finding you. If this hit you, stay with me. Because most men are doing this wrong, and you don't have to anymore.